Hi, hello, namaste. Welcome to Indian Chef Recipe. Today we are going to learn how to make spinach fry, or you can also call it as Palakura Vepudu. Ingredients are 3 bunches of spinach, 1 big onion, chana dal around 15 grams, and I've soaked it for 5 minutes. Cumin seeds and mustard seeds for tempering. I have chopped 2 green chilies, 3 red chilies, turmeric 1/4 tablespoon, salt to your taste, oil 3 tablespoons. Heat your pan, add oil, add cumin seeds and mustard seeds, chopped green chilies, dry red chilies, onions and soaked chana dal. Saute for 1 minute. After 1 minute, my onions have turned transparent. Now just add turmeric, salt as per your taste. Spinach I have already washed. Mix spinach with all the ingredients. Now keep the lid and cook. After 5 minutes, just open the lid. Wow! You can see our palakura fry is ready. Now switch off the flame and serve hot with chapati, rice or pulka. Hope you enjoyed by watching our today's spinach fry. See you with the new recipe in the other session. Till then, take care. Bye bye.